Welcome to Box Weather, everyone. Before we get to your Friday weather forecast, just a quick flashback to Wednesday. That severe thunderstorms that resulted in hail in the town of Brandfort moved eastwards and also resulted in small amounts of hail over large parts of the Free State. This includes Welkom, Piet Retief, as well as parts of Mpumalanga. And this Thursday already reports of large amounts of small hail in Roodepoort in Gauteng. So more storms developing over the high velds could likely result in more hail. Please be cautious, try and stay off the roads this Thursday evening and try and get your car under cover. But what's the weather looking like on Friday? Let's see. Yet again, cloudy on Friday morning with foggy patches in parts of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal. An onshore flow might also push in a few light showers, and the same as Wednesday and Thursday, that trough extending over the eastern areas with isolated thunderstorms expected to move over parts of northwest the Free State. This includes Gauteng, now moving over Mpumalanga, reaching parts of the Lowveld and Limpopo. The Weather Service warning against severe thunderstorms, which could result in excessive lightning, yet again hail, gusting winds and heavy downpours over the same areas that received hail and a few severe thunderstorms on Wednesday in the Free State and the southern areas of Mpumalanga. In the Western Cape, it's mostly cloudy to partly cloudy on a Friday with an onshore flow for the coastal areas. Westerly winds for Cape Town with a high of 22 degrees, 25 in Robertson, and becoming hot in the Karoo. Also winds picking up where the Weather Service is warning against runaway fires. An onshore southwesterly wind also keeping the southern coast cool with temperatures in the lower 20s. An onshore flow will push in a few light showers for the Eastern Cape on Friday. Only 22 degrees in East London, hot over the interior with a few isolated thunderstorms likely from late afternoon, and also becoming partly cloudy with isolated thunderstorms in the forecast for KwaZulu-Natal. A few showers likely over the coastal areas, but hot and humid in Richards Bay the afternoon with a high of 30 degrees, becoming very hot in the Lowveld, temperatures soaring above 30 degrees, and also a 30% chance of thunderstorms developing over the high velds. But the Weather Service is warning against the possibility of severe thunderstorms over the southern areas. In Limpopo, hot the afternoon, temperatures soaring above 30 degrees, extremely hot in the Lowveld, as well as the Bushveld, temperatures in the mid to upper 30s, and then a few heat-induced thunderstorms likely, as well as in northwest, temperatures above 30, and also isolated thunderstorms expected to bubble up from the afternoon. In the Northern Cape, a cool onshore southerly wind expected along the coast, a westerly wind for the interior, and becoming hot over the northern areas, 30 degrees in Kimberley, 32 the afternoon in Bloemfontein, becoming partly cloudy with a few isolated thunderstorms likely over Welkom as well as the eastern areas. Winds picking up ahead of isolated thunderstorms after a hot day in Gauteng with a temperature of 31 in Pretoria. Into your weekend weather forecast, a few more showers on Saturday for the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal with mostly cloudy skies and a few patchy thunderstorms over northeastern South Africa. A mainly dry Sunday for South Africa, only a few isolated thunderstorms likely over the high velds, and this includes Mpumalanga. Temperatures are still in the low to mid 20s along the coast, but very warm over the interior and above 30 degrees in the Northern Cape with on the dot 30 in Mahikeng as well as Pretoria. Well, that's all from me, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.